Hi, welcome to the first tutorial from the Getting Started with iBooked course. In this video, you will learn how to set up an account for business on iBooked. If you have already set up your account, you can skip to the next lesson. To get started, create an account as the business owner. This will unlock all the tools you need to set up your business on iBooked. Start by heading to the iBooked for Business webpage where you can join for free. Fill in the basic details like your first name and last name, the country where your business is located, your mobile number, your email, and a password. Enter the password again to confirm. Accept the terms and conditions and click Create My Account. An activation code will be sent to the email address that you registered with. It may take a few moments to arrive. If you have not received it, check your spam folder. Fill this in on the box on the screen and click Verify.